Hello, my name is Chris Lord and I'm the Technical Director here at Dean's Computer Services. Today I'd like to talk to you about our Amber Vault monitoring service. We can monitor your servers, any network storage and your router and firewall. So let me quickly walk you through each of these areas. The server element of our Amber Vault monitoring service has two parts. First, it immediately alerts DCS of any problems with your servers. For example, such conditions as a failed hard drive, low disk space, internet issues, server crash, poor performance, failed backups, attempts at brute force server attacks, and much more. We can, as part of your existing server monitoring package, also add bespoke sensors at your request to monitor specific applications, services, site-to-site VPN links, replication, and Active Directory. Second, it builds up a picture of how your server has behaved in the last 365 days. This is great for troubleshooting unexpected outages, poor performance, and scaling your system for the future. Next, we can monitor any network storage you may have. If you've already moved away from using portable hard drives or tapes for your daily backup, you will have a Synology box, also known as NAS or Network Attached Storage. This is the box that holds all your backups before they're uploaded to the cloud. As reliable as electronic equipment is today, just like any other server, they can still suffer from a failed hard drive, failed power supply, a failed fan, or even something as simple as running out of disk space. When alerted to one of these conditions, a call is logged, an engineer is allocated, and the fault is resolved quickly. Without proactive monitoring in place, the Synology will likely limp along for a reasonable period of time, but it is at very high risk of failing completely. When it does fail completely, it will result in data loss and extended disruption to backup routines, putting your business at real risk. And just like your existing server monitoring, we can also build up a picture of how your Synology has behaved over the past year. This is great for troubleshooting unexpected outages, poor performance, and scaling your system for the future. And finally, your router and firewall. The biggest benefit to having that monitored 24/7, 365 is the metrics it provides. For example, how much data is transferred and how much bandwidth is consumed. This not only applies to each internet connection you run, but also each VLAN you have configured and each VPN connected. This will help you plan for the future, identify and troubleshoot performance bottlenecks, and spot any usage trends. In addition, having all this information at your fingertips is particularly useful if you have internet issues and you can pass this information to the ISP. Thank you for watching. See you next time.